My name is Randell Ray, and welcome back to my channel for another update in the Reclaimed Container Workshop. This week, a number of things have happened, so let's go ahead and jump right in. First off, I am not sitting down. I'm trying to be a little more in front of the camera, as well as I'm kind of blocked at the moment. Normally I sit in this area, have a project going on, and yeah. So basically this week I'm working on a number of customer orders. Basically, a few weeks ago, I talked about trying to be more proactive, taking in orders and marketing myself more often and regularly to make sure that I stay active in the workshop. I can continue to fund other projects. Yeah. So this week, I made a number of things, one of which is another Florida State-themed Florida silhouette. I've also got a few more fish. As well as the gentleman who I made the barbecue signs for. He picked up his orders yesterday morning. Very excited. I actually made him a third one. The second one I made, the smaller one, the engraving got a little off-centered. Basically, I printed out the template, lined it up with one of the edges, and just engraved it without even paying much attention. Basically, it just kind of pushed everything off a little to the right. Went ahead and made him another one. I didn't have to. I actually sent him photos previously. He never mentioned it, didn't really seem to care. In fact, he was just super ecstatic, and he liked them so much. So I made him a third one just to kind of make sure that everything was right. So he's got 3. He's happy, and he's already talking about future orders, as well as getting some of the other barbecue teams to place orders. So all in all, another happy customer, another repeat customer. It's a good day. Let's see, workshop, again, got the orders. I need to get started on my computer build. I was talking about doing a specs and unboxing video before sometime this week, but basically I don't want to unbox anything until I get the top cabinet portion built, so I can go and start building the computer. There's really no need to unbox anything and keep it in the open, or expose it to anything when it's not going to be built right away. So hopefully after I'm done recording this, I'm going to get the edit finished, but I think I'm going to have some time today. I can get started on the top portion of the cabinet, kind of give me an idea of where everything's going to go, get everything unboxed, start building the actual computer. The airboat, I've been talking about that. This weekend is actually the weekend we were hoping to have the boat done. That is not the case. There is still plenty to do. Basically, we're working around work schedules and just trying to do stuff when we can. At this point in time, the cage is just about finished. Everything is tack welded. All the main structure is there. The rudders are on. The cage needs to come off, needs to be all welded together, and then the steel mesh is going to go on. So we did decide, instead of doing tack welds, all the steel mesh on, we ordered some stainless steel zip ties. So those came in yesterday. Once the cage is all welded up, then we'll go ahead and put the mesh on and use that system to hold it in place. But it's moving along. Next step would be a tab for the steering cable, measuring for the steering cable, getting that ordered. We will also need to mount the gauge cluster. The gauges are already in, wired up. Once the gauge cluster is in place, we'll have to do a little bit of modification to the seat stand to fit both of the larger seats my father wants to use. After that, it's pretty much just finding a name, paint scheme, and getting it wrapped. So very excited, lots of momentum, and we'll continue that moving forward this weekend. Work-wise, pretty steady. Did a couple final grades, a couple cleanups, a deck grade, and actually this is Sunday morning, so Friday we finished up a removal of a screen around a swimming pool. Basically, the pool's going to be demoed, a new pool's going in. It's actually not very old, but apparently this couple just bought the home within the last few years, and the pool's kind of boring. It's just a big rectangle, so they're going to kind of put in something a little more unique, a few water features, stuff like that, and yeah. But that is pretty much it for me. Workshop-wise, we've got the orders. Airboat is moving along nicely. The computer should be started any day now. I am extremely excited. It is kind of it's kind of making me anxious. Everything, all the components are piled on top of one of my dressers, and I see them every day, and I just want to get the new computer going. It'll be a big improvement for my editing. I've been trying to go live on Twitch a little more, hopefully some YouTube lives in the future, so a better system will improve upon all that. I may even try to do some voiceovers on some project videos, and having a stable place to work and mount, cameras, mounts, microphones, stuff like that will be a huge improvement. So very excited. That should be moving along. I'm trying to get it done, but I'm trying to keep up with orders as well. It's kind of funding everything at the moment, so making sure those are, customers are happy and everything's moving forward is kind of top priority. That's pretty much it for me though, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, share, subscribe. Check out some of my other videos. I'll put them up here on the screen. And in the meantime, I hope you guys have a good one, and I'll catch you on the next one.